All right, let's go ahead and look at number 12 here. We're asking which equation represents a geometric function, so it says geometric, that passes through these points. Well, here's the deal. This is multiple choice. So let's look at some possibilities of what it is that you could do. This is our input, this is our output, so this must be n, and this must be t of n. I need to figure out which one of these actually gives, when I do an input of 1, gives me 5. So when I put an input of 1 here, I get a 5. When I put an input of 1 here, I get a 25, so that one's definitely out. When I put an input of 1 here, don't get a 5. When I put an input of 1 here, I also don't get a 5. So this seems to be what it is, but now we want to go ahead and put an input of 3. So we'll do 5 cubed, which is 125. So sure enough, both of these inputs give these outputs when you put it into that formula. So that's a good little way to go. All right, number 13. You need this for your final exam. The formula is a sub 1 over 1 minus r. A sub 1 is our first term, and r is the ratio. So you're trying to figure out what is the multiplier. How do I go from one to the other? So 16 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2, which means 1/2. So if I have 16 divided by 1 minus 1/2, which is 1 over 2, that means 16 divided by 0.5. So 16 divided by 0.5, oopsies, we get 32. Now we look and see if that even makes some sense. We have 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, whoops, sorry about that, 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. We have 31 right here, and then plus 0.5 plus 0.25. It's getting closer and closer and closer to 32. So that seems to make some sense. So it's a good way to kind of check it.